Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to guide you through creating different types of builds using EAS for various purposes like internal distribution APK and production AAB. But before we dive in, please hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. It really helps out. Let's jump right in. I'll be using my notification app from the previous video, which already has an EAS project created in the dashboard. First, head to the documentation to configure the build using EAS Build, Configure. Since I'm using a local installation of EAS CLI, I'll use npx before it. Select All when prompted, and you'll see eas.json generated. Open this file to explore. There are two types of profiles in internal distribution, one for providing an APK preview to your clients and another for a development build used for debugging with the Expo Dev client. To configure internal distribution, add a variable distribution with a value of internal in the build. For a development build, add a variable development client and set it to true. Now, let's create the platform build. Go to the sidebar, click on Internal Distribution, and scroll over to Run a build with the internal build profile. Copy the command until Preview, where Preview is your build profile. You can also add different environment files for different builds by adding an env object and adding your URL to it. Now, I'll directly build the APK for Android. Ensure your packages are at the required versions by running npx expo-doctor and fixing versions if needed. Use npx expo install check to check and fix versions. Instead of platform all, I'll use platform Android to generate the APK. I don't have an env file configured in this, so I will remove it. You can check the env configuration in my previous env configuration video. You can see the build details by clicking on this link. Once the build is finished, you can download the APK or scan the QR code to install it on the simulator. Next, let's do the development build. Add a console statement for debugging purposes. The development APK shows console messages and errors in your terminal, perfect for debugging before previewing. Paste the previous command and change the profile to development. Once the build is finished, you can download the APK or scan the QR code to install it on the simulator similar to the preview. Once installed, a window similar to the Expo Go app will open, allowing you to start the development server by running npx expo start. Open Android. As you can see, I am getting console messages. The only thing is that after the build is created, even if you change the code, you will not see the changes in development mode. Lastly, let's talk about the production build. The production build generates an AAB file, perfect for submitting to the Google Play Store. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Happy coding!